Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do a simple drink, June plums and carrots drink. So these are 5 carrots and 12 June plums. So I am currently washing them. Then I'm gonna scrape the carrots to remove the skin, and then I am gonna peel the June plums and remove the flesh from the seeds. You know, I am not taking any chances in terms of not peeling the carrot, not peeling the June plums, because right now coronavirus is out and about. There are no confirmed cases in Jamaica. However, I am being very careful. I am not eating the skin of any fruits, anything at all. I am washing everything and I am peeling everything. I am seeing the news coming out of China where a lot of people died from this dangerous disease, and someone from Singapore I think died as well. So there are some confirmed cases in the US as well as in England and Canada. So I am not taking any chances. Right now, bleach, Dettol, Lysol, all of those disinfectants are my best friend right now. Yes, people, so I'm back. So I am gonna blend the carrot and the June plum. So I went ahead and I peel the carrot lightly, also peel the June plum, and then let me show you. I remove the flesh from the June plum like this. If you cannot get the June plum in your area, you can use carrot and Chinese sour. There's a fruit that we call Chinese sour in Jamaica, or Chinese gimbilin. I am gonna see if I can find a picture online, and I will show you what I'm talking about. You can use that with the carrot if you cannot get the June plum. And I put some of the carrots and some of the June plums, and I added enough water to just barely cover the carrots and the June plum. And I will have to do this in 2 batches because this will be the second batch. So I am gonna blend until smooth. Now this is a clean kitchen towel. I've never used this kitchen towel before. I purchased them, I washed them, and I put them down in the jar. And you can use a strainer if you want, but I rather to use straining through a piece of cloth. And remember that now is the time that everything should be handled really clean because of the coronavirus. It's not in Jamaica as I mentioned before, but still has to be, you know, doing the right thing. Make sure that everything is clean. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna squeeze this out. And if you want, you can put a piece of ginger root in it, but I don't want any ginger root in mine. Yeah. Okay, people, so sweeten the drink with your favorite sweetener. And then I am adding the juice of 1 lime. Like I said, you can use a piece of ginger root. If you use the ginger root, do not use the lime. But because I did not use the ginger root, so I'm using the lime. And this is quite good. This will bring the taste. Yeah. Nice. This is it. Carrot and June plum. It's very refreshing, very nice. I am not gonna add any ice to it. I am just gonna put it in the fridge, in the freezer, and let it cool so that I can enjoy this without ice watering it down. So I'm not gonna add any ice to it, but if you want, you can put ice to yours. So that's it. Ta-da! This is my carrot June plum drink.